Well, I got some exciting big news. In late April, we'll be headed to Utah as volunteers in the state park, Palisades State Park, which means full hookups and a free site. But the real excitement is this. We'll be filming and exploring all the great national parks nearby. They are amazing. Arches, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef, Bryce Canyon, Zion, and it just goes on and on. But before all that, our RV needs some serious cleaning. So today, we're giving it a full wash and wax. Thank you for being with us. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and join us on our adventures. The next few months, I'm telling you, is going to be very exciting. Thank you for being here. Now let's get to the work. Yeah, it's a lot of work to wash and wax that big old 36-foot RVer. You got two sides and two ends. I'm not going to do the top, but we're not lazy here at RVer USA Freedom Road. We're going to get her done.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off.
And as you can see, I have plenty of material to do this miracle with. The miracle is going to be me actually doing it, but we'll get it done. I'm going to use the hard shell turtle wax, the paste here, and I'm quite certain I'll have to get another can of this. It's a lot more work. Electrical equipment, we got this oscillating buffer, circular buffer, plenty of pads and rags, everything we need. Well, the first thing we want to do is wash your RV, right? Well, I chose the shady side of the RV to do this because you don't want to do this in the sun. It'll dry up the wax too soon. So I had to kind of wait until the wind died down. So we're going to apply our wax now. And to apply our wax, we're going to use this circular buffer here. And we're going to set it on about 2.5. You don't want it going too fast. There's several ways to do this. You know, I'm not going to try to tell grown people how to wax a car or an RV. I'm just going to show you how I do it. I like to take a little bit and just kind of rub it on with a little plastic knife here and just get some on there. It'll last a long time. We're going to do about a 3x4 section right here just for demonstration purposes. You don't want to wait too long. You certainly don't want it in the sun. So let's get to it. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's do it. Wax on, wax off. Now, the buffing rag. Well, that's it. And thank you for joining us. We do appreciate it. And make sure you go to Utah with us. We're going to have a lot of fun. Look at that shine. You can see me in the background. Hello. Look at that. Now that's a shine. To keep your RV lasting a long time. Keep it pretty.